Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the OTG not working issue on the Samsung Galaxy A07. For that, just open Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. And on this page, you will find the option of Auto Blocker. Now, if Auto Blocker is enabled on your phone, just disable it from here. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then select Continue. After you disable Auto Blocker on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on About Phone. From here, just go to Software Information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Continue. Tap on OK, and after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on developer options. On this page, you will find the option of USB debugging. Now just enable this toggle and select OK. After that, just scroll down and tap on Default USB configuration. And from here, instead of charging only, just select Transferring Files. Now after you select Transferring Files, then go to your home screen and open the Dialer app. And from here, just dial *#0808#. And from here, just make sure you select MTP plus ADB. And this is how you can fix OTG not working issue on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.